Imagine a motorhome that redefines the meaning of travel luxury. This is not just a camper or an RV, it's a Honda Luxury Motorhome, where cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and smart engineering come together to offer a 5-star experience. On wheels, designed for those who crave both adventure and comfort, this futuristic vehicle is built to deliver more than just transportation. It's a mobile sanctuary. From the very first glance, the Honda Luxury Motorhome commands attention. Its sleek and aerodynamic body is sculpted for performance and efficiency, yet it radiates style and sophistication. With a glossy two-tone finish, full LED lighting, and a smooth, streamlined silhouette, it looks more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional motorhome. The front end features a bold presence with a wide windshield that stretches across both levels, providing stunning visibility and a modern futuristic appeal. Honda's iconic logo sits proudly at the center, representing a brand legacy built on precision, innovation, and reliability. As you walk along the side, it becomes clear this isn't an ordinary RV. Large, tinted panoramic windows span both decks, blending privacy with breathtaking views. The lower level is wrapped in sleek glass panels, giving a glimpse into the plush interiors. The rear triple-axle setup and massive wheels provide unmatched road stability and power, built to handle any journey with ease. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, this luxury motorhome is prepared for anything. Step inside, and the true magic of Honda's craftsmanship comes alive. The interior welcomes you with warm ambient lighting, premium materials, and an intuitive layout that feels more like a luxury suite than a vehicle. The cabin is designed with comfort and space optimization in mind, offering an open-plan lounge complete with leather reclining seats, a built-in entertainment system, and smart glass windows that tint or clear at the touch of a button. Advanced climate control ensures perfect conditions inside, no matter what the weather is outside. In the center of the motorhome lies a fully equipped kitchen area. Compact yet luxurious, it features a dual induction cooktop, a convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, and plenty of counter space with quartz finishes. Storage is elegantly hidden behind soft close panels, and smart appliances are seamlessly integrated for a modern living experience. Whether you're cooking up a gourmet meal or heating up something simple, this kitchen has everything you need. Toward the rear of the lower level, a lavish bathroom offers a full shower, high-end fixtures, and even a skylight for natural lighting. Every detail has been considered, from water-saving technology to luxury tiles that echo a high-end hotel feel. Climb the staircase to the upper deck, and you'll find a private retreat like no other. The master bedroom boasts a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, surrounded by wraparound windows for stargazing nights or sunrise mornings. Integrated ambient lights, hidden charging ports, and customizable lighting scenes offer a relaxing environment tailored to your mood. A smart screen is mounted opposite the bed, and a cozy reading nook adds another touch of homely charm. In terms of tech, the Honda Luxury Motorhome is a true smart vehicle. With voice control, app integration, GPS mapping, real-time diagnostics, and an onboard AI assistant, managing every function of the vehicle is seamless and intuitive. Solar panels on the roof, along with a hybrid powertrain or electric drive system, contribute to efficiency and sustainability, ensuring your travels are as clean as they are comfortable. In a world where mobility and comfort are becoming more intertwined than ever, the Honda Luxury Motorhome represents the future of road travel. It brings together innovation, elegance, and freedom into one breathtaking machine. Whether you're chasing horizons or parked under the stars, this is not just a way to move, it's a way to live.